Hey, it's Jimmy here with True Homes. I'm in the Stonebridge Fairways community, standing in front of one of our completed showcase homes. This is the Broadway. It's a 3-bedroom, 3 full bath home with a bonus room on the second floor. Let's go take a look. All right, let's come on in through the front. There's some construction going on out here today. This community is wrapping up. It's near the end. We're just about finished with any new lots. We do have some showcase opportunities though. Just come in here. Take a look at this beautiful home. Don't mind the blue tape on the walls. That's where we have some touch-ups coming in. We just finished construction on this home, and we just do some last-minute final touch-ups on the paint. But as you see, you come in, you're in this beautiful foyer. You got 2 bedrooms to the left. You got your main living area and a dining room, and your primary is to be separate from the rest. Let's take a look at the main living space right now. Check out these coffered ceilings. Really give this home a large feel. So it looks like 10-foot ceilings in here, and then with the coffereds, that's gonna take it up to about 11 or 12 feet. 9 feet is our standard ceiling, so I'd have to confirm if the rest of the ceilings are 9 or 10 feet, but it does seem like a taller ceiling than I'm used to seeing. You got the gourmet kitchen right here with the oven and microwave built in. Farmhouse sink in this kitchen island. Check out the fixtures. I love when they go two-tone. You got gray on the left on the island, and then right with your other cabinets, white on the right, I should say, with the rest of your cabinets. It's a gas cooktop stove. You got the stainless steel hood vent right there. And again, that farmhouse sink. Looking back at your main living area. So your kitchen and your great room are gonna be connected right off the covered screen porch. Here's your dining room right here. So dining room is a defined space, but it's still connected to the kitchen and to your main living area. Then you've got your primary bedroom with a tray ceiling, got an angled tray ceiling there. We'll take a look at the primary bathroom. So you come in, you're gonna see the dual bowl vanity. Really nice countertops there. And we did the luxury bathroom, so you've got the shower and the tub. So you got tile surround on that shower, and then you got a nice large soaking tub. And you've got a deep walk-in closet right here. Goes around both sides. Powder room, nobody cares to see that. And now let's check out the other 2 bedrooms down here on the main floor. So it's kind of a split plan where you've got your secondary bedrooms are off to one side and your primary bedroom is gonna be off to the other. So you got another full bathroom right here. And then you got another large bedroom right here. You know, these might be 9-foot ceilings. But that coffered ceiling in the great room really takes it up another couple feet. All right. Looking out here, we'll show you the covered screen porch. And this house is really close to the golf course as well. So you got this covered porch right here. You got the cul-de-sac lot, and in between those 2 houses right there, you can see the golf course, and even out there back behind the home, you can see the golf course. So I am a fairly avid golfer, you know, when I get some free time, and I love playing Stonebridge Fairways golf course. It's one of my favorite local courses in the area. Here's the laundry room. So a really nice laundry room on the main floor. Thinking this is gonna be a linen closet, a coat closet, and your internet box is in there as well. You got the garage, so you can park in the garage. 2-car garage, park there, come right into the home. This would be a great place to put a coat rack right here. And then you go upstairs, and there's gonna be a bonus room up here. So yeah, so you got 3 bedrooms. We've got 3 full baths. We've got a large bonus room above the garage. All right, so that's the Broadway floor plan. Again, this house is available for sale in the Stonebridge Fairways community. As of June 9th, 2025, this house is available for $544,900. So if you're interested in this home or any other home in Stonebridge Fairways, any other True Homes community in Union County or South Carolina, give me a call, 704-313-8514. Thanks for watching. See you next time.